Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to revolutionize the way you cook and explore the top 5 best air fryers of 2024. Whether you're a culinary master or just looking for convenient cooking solutions, these air fryers are guaranteed to elevate your kitchen game. Check the links in the description for more details, and let us know in the comments which air fryer caught your eye. Let's get frying. Starting off our list at number 5 is the culinary Pro LE Air Fryer. With its sleek design and advanced features, this air fryer is perfect for those looking to cook healthier meals without sacrificing taste. Stay tuned to find out why the culinary Pro LE earned its spot on our top picks. The culinary Air Fryer Pro LE 5QT Air Fryer, your ultimate kitchen companion for quick and easy meals that are healthier and just as delicious. With its sleek design and versatile features, this air fryer takes the hassle out of cooking and lets you enjoy your favorite dishes with up to 85% less oil. Utilizing 360-degree rapid heat circulation technology, this air fryer delivers the same crispy textures as traditional deep frying, but with up to 85% less fat, allowing you to indulge guilt-free. With industry-leading temperatures of up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, heating efficiency is increased by 20%, enabling you to prepare meals in minutes without compromising on taste or quality. Explore 9 one-touch cooking functions displayed on a convenient tempered glass panel. Personalize your cooking experience with shake reminders, adding a touch of fun to meal preparation. Despite its generous 5-quart cooking capacity, this air fryer boasts a compact design that fits seamlessly into any kitchen, making it ideal for individuals or small families. Enjoy effortless selection with the ergonomically angled tempered glass display, offering easy access and visibility while cooking. Elevate your culinary skills with the included cookbook featuring 30 original recipes curated by culinary chefs. Additionally, access over 100 recipes on the free VE Sync app for endless cooking inspiration. The nonstick BPA-free basket is dishwasher safe, ensuring hassle-free cleanup and allowing you to spend more time enjoying your meals and less time scrubbing. Experience the convenience and versatility of the culinary Air Fryer Pro LE, your go-to appliance for healthier, flavorful meals without the fuss. Unlock a world of culinary possibilities and embark on a journey of delicious creations with every use. Coming in at number 4 is the Ninja 4-quart Air Fryer. Ninja is renowned for its kitchen appliances, and this air fryer is no exception. Ready to discover why the Ninja 4-quart is a game-changer in the world of air frying? Keep watching. The Ninja AF101 Air Fryer, your versatile kitchen companion for creating delicious meals with ease. With its innovative features and sleek design, this air fryer lets you enjoy guilt-free cooking while providing exceptional taste and texture. Say goodbye to excess fat and indulge guilt-free with up to 75% less fat compared to traditional frying methods. Tested against hand-cut, deep-fried French fries, this air fryer allows you to enjoy your favorite foods without compromising on taste. With a temperature range of 105 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, you have the flexibility to gently remove moisture from foods or quickly cook and crisp them using convection heat, ensuring perfect results every time. The 4-quart ceramic-coated nonstick basket and crisper plate can accommodate up to 2 pounds of French fries, making it perfect for feeding the whole family or entertaining guests. Experience culinary freedom with 4 versatile cooking programs: air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate. From crispy fries to succulent roasts and homemade snacks, this air fryer does it all. Create flat, chip-like dehydrated foods for nutritious and flavorful homemade snacks. The combination of low fan speed and low temperature ensures thorough dehydration for a satisfying crunch. Enjoy hassle-free cleanup with dishwasher-safe parts, including the basket and crisper plate. Simply wipe the machine exterior for effortless maintenance, allowing you to spend more time enjoying your meals and less time cleaning up. The Ninja AF101 Air Fryer comes complete with a 4-quart nonstick basket, crisper plate, and a 20-recipe booklet to inspire your culinary creations. Experience the convenience and versatility of the Ninja AF101 Air Fryer and elevate your cooking game to new heights. With its intuitive design and exceptional performance, it's the perfect addition to any kitchen. Securing the 3rd spot is the Philips Premium Air Fryer XXL. Philips is a household name in kitchen appliances, and the Premium Air Fryer XXL lives up to its reputation. Find out what makes this air fryer stand out from the rest. The Philips Premium Air Fryer XXL, your ultimate solution for achieving delicious, crispy meals with ease and convenience. Designed with innovative features and advanced technology, this air fryer allows you to enjoy your favorite foods with up to 90% less fat compared to traditional frying methods. Experience 100% taste satisfaction with crispy on the outside and tender on the inside results, using little to no added oil. The Philips Premium Air Fryer XXL features unique fat removal technology that extracts and captures excess fat, ensuring healthier meals without compromising on flavor. With a generous 7-quart capacity, this air fryer can accommodate up to 3 pounds of food, making it perfect for feeding the whole family or entertaining guests. No preheat is needed, allowing you to prepare delicious meals up to 4 times faster than with an oven. Utilizing advanced rapid air technology, the Philips air fryer ensures even and consistent cooking results every time, delivering perfectly crispy and golden brown food with minimal effort. The intuitive digital display and 5 cooking presets make it easy to select the perfect settings for your meal. Whether you're frying, baking, grilling, or roasting, the Philips Air Fryer XXL ensures precise and efficient cooking. Keep your meals warm and ready to serve with the convenient Keep Warm mode, allowing you to enjoy hot and delicious food whenever you're ready to eat. All removable parts are dishwasher safe, and the air fryer's quick clean basket features a non-stick coating for effortless cleaning. Spend less time cleaning up and more time enjoying your meals. Unlock the full potential of your Philips air fryer by downloading the free Philips Kitchen app. Discover hundreds of tasty recipes, explore cooking tips, and strengthen your culinary skills to create homemade meals that you and your family will love. Experience the ultimate combination of taste and health with the Philips Premium Air Fryer XXL. Elevate your cooking game and enjoy guilt-free meals without sacrificing flavor. Stepping into the runner-up position is the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro. Breville is known for its innovation and quality, and the Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro is no different. Explore why this air fryer is a favorite among cooking enthusiasts in 2024. The Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro, the ultimate countertop oven that revolutionizes your cooking experience. Crafted with precision and innovation, this versatile appliance combines the functionality of a traditional oven with the convenience of air frying and dehydrating, all in one sleek design. Featuring 6 independent quartz elements and smart algorithms, the Element IQ system ensures precise and even cooking by directing power where and when it's needed. Say goodbye to cold spots and hello to perfectly cooked meals every time. Enjoy crispy, golden air-fried foods with the air fry setting, while the dehydrate function allows you to preserve fruits, vegetables, and more. Maximized airflow ensures efficient dehydration and air frying for delicious results. Equipped with a 2-speed convection fan, the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro offers greater cooking control and even heat distribution. Super convection delivers a higher volume of hot air, perfect for air frying, dehydration, and roasting. With 13 versatile cooking functions, including toast, bagel, broil, bake, roast, warm, pizza, proof, reheat, cookies, slow cook, and dehydrate, this countertop oven guides you to culinary perfection with ease. Boasting an extra-large interior capacity, this oven can accommodate up to 9 slices of bread, a 14-pound turkey, air-frying French fries, and even slow cooking with a 5-quart Dutch oven. It's large enough to fit most 9 by 13-inch pans and 12-cup muffin trays. Easily access the built-in smart functionality and cooking functions with the intuitive LCD display. The display indicates when preheat has completed and automatically begins counting down the cooking time for precise results. Experience the convenience and versatility of the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro. Elevate your cooking game and enjoy a wide range of delicious meals with this advanced countertop oven. And now, claiming the #1 spot is the Instant Vortex Plus 6-in-1 Air Fryer. This versatile air fryer combines convenience, efficiency, and delicious results. Don't miss the chance to explore why the Vortex Plus is our top pick. The Instant Vortex Plus 4QD Air Fryer, your all-in-one solution for quick and delicious meals right at your fingertips. From the makers of Instant Pot, this innovative appliance offers 6-in-1 functionality, allowing you to air fry, broil, roast, dehydrate, bake, and reheat with ease. Experience perfect golden finishes and crispy, tender results every time with advanced even crisp technology. This cutting-edge feature drives airflow top-down, ensuring consistent and mouth-watering cooking results. Enjoy customizable one-touch smart programs for a variety of dishes, including wings, roasted veggies, potatoes, cookies, cinnamon buns, and more. With just a touch of a button, you can create gourmet meals without the hassle. Say goodbye to long preheating times. The Instant Vortex Plus heats up quickly, taking little to no time to go from frozen to golden perfection. With a temperature range of 120 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, you have the flexibility to cook a wide range of recipes with precision. Cleaning up is a breeze thanks to the nonstick, dishwasher-safe air fry basket and tray. Spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your delicious creations. The Instant Vortex Plus features a sleek and compact design with stainless steel accents, perfectly combining functionality and style. Its countertop-friendly size makes it a versatile addition to any kitchen. Unlock a world of culinary possibilities with the free Instant Brands Connect app. Explore new recipes, create quick favorites, and prepare delicious meals right from your smartphone. Available on iOS and Android, the app makes meal planning easier than ever before. Experience the convenience and versatility of the Instant Vortex Plus 4QD Air Fryer. Elevate your cooking game and enjoy flavorful and healthy meals with this must-have kitchen appliance. There you have it, our top 5 best air fryers of 2024. Each air fryer brings its own unique features to the kitchen, making cooking easier and healthier than ever before. Check the links in the description for more details, and let us know in the comments which air fryer caught your eye. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell for more cooking content. Until next time, happy frying.